Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the outcomes you want. Focus on 3-5 high-value goals so priorities are clear. Once done, collect stakeholder input, PM, engineering, design, sales, and support to capture diverse needs. Next, set up the backlog container in your chosen tool and define required fields, acceptance criteria, and entry rules so every item is actionable. Make sure to create a simple template for new entries and add the first 10-15 candidate items to start refinement. Now you refine. Prioritize using a value versus effort approach and score items 1-10 to build a ranked list. Once prioritized, break epics into thin vertical slices that deliver user value each sprint. This reduces risk and speeds feedback. Make sure to write concise acceptance criteria for every item and run estimation sessions with the team to achieve consensus. Also, tag dependencies and risks so sequencing is visible. Regularly remove or archive stale items to keep the list focused. To finish, establish a grooming cadence, weekly or biweekly, and ensure the top 10 items are groomed, estimated, and ready for planning. You should align sprint goals to the backlog's top priorities so work delivers measurable outcomes. Once done, communicate changes to stakeholders and update roadmap links. If things go wrong, if items are misaligned or stale, resync on goals immediately and run a time-boxed reprioritization session to restore focus. This prevents wasted work and keeps momentum moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.